Today we will learn how to adjust tab spacing in MS Word. So very basic and simple way to adjust tab spacing. In this paragraph section, click on this tiny drop down and here click on tabs, and here the default tab stops. We can see it's 1 centimeter. You can increase or decrease, like you can make it 3 centimeter, 5, 11, yeah, what you need. Make it number here. Then you can change alignment like left, center, right, and also you can change here leader. Then click on OK. Now keep your cursor and press tab like this. Another way, just right click, paragraph, and tabs, and same you can make changes here. Then click on OK. Now press tabs. So thanks for watching.